Alright, the video you've all been waiting for is finally here. Just when we thought we knew everything about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, Samsung drops a whole bunch of surprises. So, here's the big news. Samsung is totally leveling up the video game with the Galaxy S25 Ultra. They're introducing a high-resolution video mode that's similar to their high-res photo mode, which means better quality and less noise. This is huge because, honestly, Samsung's current flagship video quality is already pretty solid. This new upgrade could close the gap, or maybe even outdo Apple when it comes to video performance. I'm guessing AI will play a big role here, but we'll have to wait for more details. Here's where things get even crazier. Samsung is finally bringing long video to the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This means you can shoot uncompressed video with higher bitrate, more clarity, and a wider dynamic range. And smoother lens switching thanks to the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip. On top of that, there's this new AI display feature that boosts the brightness by up to 43% compared to the last generation. But that's not all. With the S25 Ultra's new ultra-wide-angle lens, you'll be able to take photos with 4 times the clarity. Plus, there's a new auto eraser feature that removes background sound in your videos. Sounds pretty cool, right? Apart from this, we also got some official performance numbers for the S25 Ultra. Samsung's revamped cooling system is now using a brand new vapor chamber, which means the S25 Ultra can handle heat 42% better than its predecessor. The S25 and S25 Plus get a 10% improvement in cooling too. So yeah, this is shaping up to be the best performing Samsung phone ever. And last but not least, we've got some official images of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and I've got to say, the colors look amazing. The black and silver S25 Ultra is especially stunning. Plus, Samsung's offering 3 more exclusive colors for online orders. They've really nailed the color choices for the S25 and S25 Plus models too. Super fresh and vibrant. So, there you have it. Some awesome, exciting updates about the S25 Ultra. I can't wait to see it all in action soon. If you haven't already, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. Catch you later. Peace out.